Hello, hello. That is a beat. Still don't know what that is. Here's the hydroponics. Got tinfoil because the room is cooler now that it's October. So to entrap some of that heat in there, I put up tinfoil. Oh, Chester, it's really cool. We got that is sprouting in there. Oh, Chester. And then the Geneva's basil in the middle there. Kind of see it starting to sprout. And the dill. Now I'm just waiting on the mint, Thai basil, and what else? Oh yeah, the curly parsley. Yeah. Woo! Just want to do a quick update. Heck yeah, love that thing.